A-Level Math, paper 32, October, November 2019, question number 5. The equation of a curve is 2x squared y minus xy squared equals a cube, where a is a positive constant, so that there is only one point on the curve at which the tangent is parallel to the x-axis, and find the y-coordinate of this point. Now, differentiating with respect to x of the implicit equation, thus the dx of 2x squared y minus xy squared equals the dx of a cube. Thus differentiate with respect to x both sides, left hand side and right hand side. Differentiation of this part, that is 2 times x squared times differentiation of y, that is 2x squared times the dx of y, plus 2 is just constant, thus 2 times differentiation of x squared times y, that is the product rules, thus that is 2 times the dx of x squared times y, minus, also here is product, thus the differentiation of x times y squared plus x times differentiation of y squared, that is the dx of x times y squared plus x times differentiation of y, x times the dx of y squared. Differentiation with respect to x of a constant is 0. Yeah, the dx of a cube is 0. Now 2x squared times dy dx plus differentiation of x squared is 2x, thus 2x times 2 is 4x times y, 4xy, and here is the dx of x is 1, thus y minus times y squared is minus y squared, and here is differentiation of y squared is 2y dy dx, thus here is 2xy dy dx times minus, thus minus 2xy dy dx equals 0. Now this term and this terms contain dy dx, thus stay in the left hand side, and then terms without dy dx shift to the right. Thus this term with that term, that is here, put out the brackets dy dx, thus 2x squared minus 2xy dy dx equals, shift to the right becomes y squared, this one becomes minus 4xy, thus dy dx equals this part divided by this part, that is y squared minus 4xy per 2x squared minus 2xy. Now the tangent is parallel to the x-axis when dy dx is 0, means the slope of the tangent line is 0, means the tangent line is parallel to the x-axis. Thus dy dx equals 0 means this part will be 0, yeah, because if fraction is 0 means the numerator is 0, denominator cannot be 0, thus this part will be 0. Thus dy dx 0, thus y squared minus 4xy equals 0, factorization, y times y minus 4x equals 0, thus this part 0 or that part 0. This 0 if y is 4x, and this part 0 if y is 0. Thus y is 4x or y is 0, but y is 0 is rejected, yeah, since a greater than 0. When y 0, if I substitute in this equation, thus 0 minus 0, 0 equals a. That is contradiction, because here he said that a is a positive constant, that is y equals 0 is rejected. Now y equals 4x, and the original equation 2x squared y minus xy squared equals a cube. We solve x and y, thus substitute y in here, yeah, thus 2x squared times 4x is 8x cubed, and x times 4x squared because y squared here, thus that is x times 16x squared equals a cube. Thus 8x cubed minus 16x times x squared x cubed, thus minus 8x cubed is a cube. Thus x is a cube per minus 8. X is cube root of a cube divided by minus 8, that is minus a per 2. Yeah, thus cube root of a is a, and cube root of minus 8 is minus 2, that is why x is minus a per 2, and x equals minus a per 2. Substitute in this y equals 4x, we get, or we obtain y equals minus 2a. Thus that is the answer for this question, y is minus 2a. Question number 8. Let fx equals 2x squared plus x plus 8 divided by 2x minus 1 times x squared plus 2. Express fx in partial fractions. No, splitting into partial fraction. Thus this fraction is separated into partial fraction here, that is actually the denominator of these two fractions, that is the factors of the denominator original fraction. Yeah, thus here is 2x minus 1, that is why the denominator here 2x minus 1, and here is x squared plus 2, and another fraction here is x squared plus 2. None. The power of numerator always less than the power of the denominator. The denominator here is linear of x power 1, that is why numerator is constant, and if you see here the denominator here is quadratic, that is why the numerator is x power 1 or linear. Now next step, all the term left hand side and right hand side is multiplied by this denominator. Yeah, multiplied by 2x minus 1 times x squared plus 2. This part times this is equals this, that is 2x squared plus x plus 8. A per 2x minus 1 times this one, thus 2x minus 1 is cancelled out, becomes a times x squared plus 2. And if this part is multiplied by this one, means x squared plus 2 is cancelled out, thus left over bx plus c times 2x minus 1. Now here is identity, means we can choose x. We can choose, for example, here I choose x half. Yeah, do substitute x half in the left hand side and then right hand side. X half substitute in this, thus that is 2 times half square plus half plus 8, that is 9, equals, if I substitute here x half, this becomes 0, thus 0 times this part, that is all the terms here is 0, and stay here half squared, so that is 0.25 plus 2 is 2.25a, thus a is 9 per 2.25, a is 4. And the next we choose x0, 0 0 plus 8, that is 8 here, and then here is again 0, 2 times a is 4, 2 times 4 is 8, and here is 0, 0 minus 1 minus c, thus 8 equals 8 minus c, thus c is 0. In another value, I choose x for 1, 2 plus 1 plus 8, that is 11, and substitute 1 in the right hand side, that is becomes 12 plus b, thus b is minus 1. Thus, the partial fraction or fx equals 4 over 2x minus 1 minus x per x squared plus 2. Yeah, thus that is here fx is already split into partial fraction, that is this fraction and that fraction. The second part of this question, that is hints, showing a full working find integration from 1 to 5 of fx dx, giving the answer in the form ln c, where c is an integer. Thus integration from 1 to 5 of fx dx equals integration from 1 to 5 of the partial fractions, yeah, that is integration from of 4 over 2x minus 1 minus x per x squared plus 2 dx. Now here first I want to calculate the this integration, and also this integration. The first I calculate this the value of this integration. Integration from 1 to 5 of 4 per 2x minus 1 dx. Let u 2x minus 1. Thus du, differentiation du is 2 dx, or dx is both side divided by 2, dx is half du. Now substitute in this equation u. Thus dx is half du and 2x minus 1 is u. Thus, and then the boundaries of the integration also change. When x1 u is 2 times 1 minus 1 stay 1, but if x is 5 u is 2 times 5 10 minus 1 is 9. Thus now the boundary of integration in terms of u, du, that is from 1 to 9. Thus 4 per u times half du equals integration from 1 to 9 or 4 divided by 2 to 2 du per u, or the integration is 2 ln u from 1 to 9. Thus 2 ln 9 minus 2 ln 1. Ln 1 is 0. Thus 2 ln 9. That is the value for this integration. Second part of the integration, that is integration from 1 to 5 of x per x squared plus 2 dx. Now let u equals x squared plus 2, du is 2x dx, or x dx is du per 2, yeah, both side divided by 2 here. Thus x dx equals half du. Now substitute du and u in this equation. Now the x is half du, and this part is u, yeah. Thus the x is half du and this part is u. Now the boundaries of the integration, if x is 1, now 1 plus 2 is 3. If x is 5, here is u is 25 plus 2 is 27. That is why the boundaries of integration from 3 to 27 of half du per u equals half. The integration of du per u is ln u from 3 to 27 equals half times ln 27 minus ln lower boundaries, ln 3. Now ln 27 minus ln 3 is equals ln 27 per 3, or ln 9. Thus the value of the second part of the equation, that is half ln 9. Thus integration from 1 to 5 of fx dx equals the value of the first integration 2 ln 9 minus half ln 9, that is 2 ln 9 minus half ln 9, that is 2 minus half is 3 per 2 ln 9, or equals ln 9 this comes here becomes power ln 9 power 3 over 2. Ln 9 is 3 squared, power 3 over 2, dus 3 squared power 3 over 2, dus 3 power 3, dus ln 3 cube or equals ln 27. Dus this is the final answer of this question. Thank you.